皆さんこんにちは。ファクトリーギア TV 工具好き in セマラスベガスです。ここね、もうね、アメリカ最大のですねカスタムカーアフターマーケットの祭典なんですけども、ここに来るとですね、全米で、どんな工具が人気なのか、これから何ができるのかというのがですね、一目瞭然見れるということでやってまいりました。本当に久しぶりに来ました。でね、結構来てみるとですね、面白いことに、ヨーロッパメーカーとか日本メーカーとかいろいろありまして、なんでセマに来てそのムービー撮ってるんだって感じなんですけども、まあ一応ちょっといろいろと面白い工具を実際に紹介していただきましたので、見ていただきたいと思います。ということでちょっと行ってみましょう。ファクトリーギア TV 工具好き。ベラさんいたんで、ちょっとベラさんやってみようと思って。Strong one. They want one with a bent handle, so they don't bang their knuckles on something. And flexible and make it easier to work in awkward locations. So this one actually combines all of those different features. Pull this down, same on either side. You can adjust and lock it. So now it's 15 degrees clearance, so you're not going to hurt your knuckles. You go in this direction, it's like a ratcheting screwdriver. But this is the secret part, yes. The most annoying thing is doing this until it goes down, until you finally seat the fastener, then you're really tight. But if you have it in this position and hold the sleeve here, now you get that. 見てください、もうね、日本代表する刀剣さんもね、めっちゃ大人気。ちょっと行ってみたいと思います。こっちが首振りになってて、こっちが首振りじゃないんですよ。なので、こっちでカツン緩めた後に少し斜めでも早回しで取れるっていうやつで、これどっかで俺紹介してもらったんだけど、まだプロタイプだったのに、これがついに商品化されて、セマショーにあるというので、で、8分の3と4分の1の両方ある。はい。全部長さコンパクトにしてあって、これも同じようにこっちの方が力入れるので首振りじゃなくてカツン、でもこっちは早回ししたいんで少し斜めに入ったところでもめちゃめちゃ貢献さんらしい。本当に考えられない工具、さすが貢献。ありがとうございます。クニペックスさんのブースがありました。早速デモンストレーションしていただきたいと思います。Here we go!
Hey, Steve with Knipex here, just showcasing our Cobras. Everybody's very familiar with it. From a strip bolt standpoint, from a pipe standpoint, this thing has unbelievable grip. But one of the things that we've heard in the market is when you're trying to reach these really confined areas, while this tool is great, that jaw design really struggles to get in there. We really pride ourselves in providing education to the market, but it's a two-way street. And sometimes the market educates you. So they told us, hey, we have a need for a tool with a longer jaw design that can get into those tight crevices. So where that Cobra used to really struggle, the Cobra ES that we launched in July does not. It has the same functionality. It's considered a problem solver, can still work on bolts, but again, where you didn't have a solution previously with that Cobra, you have it all day long now, and the grip does not fail.
してほしいのは縦溝入ってる。ほんと縦に押さえられる。クニペックスさん from SEMA SHOW.
Thank you. Yep, not a problem. Pleasure.
These are a rivet removal set. It's a steel chisel and a center punch, so you can shear shear your rivet off, and then drive the mandrel down with the center punch. This is just a big center punch. With our center punches, you can pull back a little bit, not glazing off ceramic tile, or you can pull back a lot and you mark Hardox 450 with it. You have complete control over how hard you want to hit. Not only that, but wherever you hold it, that's where it's going to stay. So if you're doing a roll bar or exhaust or something, if you're at an angle or on diameter, however you're holding it, that's where your mark will be.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Yay! Let's go! Oh!
We've got the flexible extension clamp. This is our retro.
What is
So it can be moved and adjusted however you like it. It stays in place. You can tell, so the benefit of this is so when you're trying to start a bolt, you don't drop it accidentally. Plunger holds the bolt on. Then you can move it. In this case, we show that you can get all the way through here and start the bolt right here. Right there. Right there. And then we also have the flexible flash extension clamp. It bends back to where it needs to. Okay. In addition to that, obviously we still have the ever popular tri-pack, the regular extension clamp. You put a bolt in, tighten it up, and then down here, torque it. Lifetime warranty on these guys. Slide it in, start your nut wherever you need to. Throw a nut on it. Comes in 3 different sizes for the tri-pack. You got the original, the long, the medium, or the short, and then of course you have the micro, which is a lower profile than the others. Tighter areas, smaller electronics, different things of that nature.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
日本で待ってましょう。Thank you. もうね、いろいろ見ましたけれども、これ本当ね、僕は最初SEMAショー来た時じゃ考えられないぐらいですね、ムービー撮って OK。ね、昔はもうムービー撮るっていうだけ大変だったんだけど、皆さん結構いろいろ協力していただいて、まあいくつか商品紹介させてもらいました。ただですね、公開できない仕込んだ工具いっぱいありますんで、ぜひこれから6ヶ月から1年かけてそれをまた皆さんにお届けしたいと思います。お楽しみに。それでは皆さん、さようなら。